For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
In the biggest single day spike, India has recorded 9,971 coronavirus cases in the past 24 hours. This is the fourth consecutive day when cases registered surpassed the 9,500 mark in the country. With 2,46,628 coronavirus cases, India stands fifth in most number of cases in the world. Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Delhi and Gujarat have contributed to over 60% of the cases in the country. India has surpassed Spain to claim the fifth spot in the list of countries worst affected by the coronavirus pandemic. Now, only the United States, Brazil, Russia and the United Kingdom are ahead of India in the total coronavirus cases. The death toll in India is inching closer to the 7,000 mark, with 287 new deaths being reported. As on 7th June, the active cases stands at 1,20,406, while 1,19,292 have recovered from the deadly disease. The death toll has risen to 6,929 and total cases stands at 2,46,628. Maharashtra continues to be the worst affected state in India with a total of 82,968 COVID-19 cases so far. As on 7th June, the active cases stands at 42,609. Recovered cases stands at 37,390, while deaths have risen to 2,969. The total number of cases in West India state stands at 82,968. Tamil Nadu is the second worst affected state in India and has the highest number of cases in South India, reporting 30,152 COVID-19 cases. As on 7th of June, the active cases in Tamil Nadu stands at 13,506. Recovered cases stands at 16,395. Deaths have risen to 251 and total cases stands at 30,152. The increase in COVID-19 cases in the national capital has worried the Modi administration as they have not been able to bring it under control. Delhi has reported 27,654 cases. As on 7th of June, the active cases in Delhi stands at 16,229. Recovered cases stands at 10,664. Deaths have risen to 761 and total number of cases stands at 27,654. The COVID-19 cases have reduced in Gujarat over the past few days, but it continues to be the state with the fourth highest number of cases, reporting a total of 19,592 cases so far. As on 7th of June, the active cases in Gujarat stands at 5,057. Recovered cases stands at 13,316. Deaths have risen to 1,219 and total cases stands at 19,592. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has affirmed that the situation is under control while the cases are only rising in the country.